In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate lines, arrows, and more in PowerPoint. We'll explore how to create dynamic animations using the tools available in Office 365 to enhance your presentations. So grab your computer and let's get started. First things first, open PowerPoint on your computer. Once it's open, navigate to the specific presentation you're working on or create a new one if you're starting fresh. With your presentation opened, direct your attention to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This section is your gateway to adding a wide variety of elements to your slides. Next, locate and click on the Shapes option within the Insert tab. This will bring up a wealth of different shapes you can add to your slides. Scroll through and choose the freeform shape. Using this tool, draw scribbles directly on your slide. Have fun with this step. This is where you can let your creativity flow. Now, with your scribble in place, it's time to refine its appearance. Head over to the Shape Format tab and click on Shape Outline. Once there, find the weight option where you can adjust the thickness of your line. Increase the weight just enough to make your scribbles bold and visible. You might also find that resizing your shape helps in aligning it with your overall slide design. Feel free to resize it to your satisfaction. Once you're happy with your scribble, go back to the Insert tab and click on Shapes again. This time choose a rectangle and draw it so that it covers your scribble. But don't worry, we'll be making adjustments soon. With the rectangle in place, go back to Shape Format and click on Shape Fill. Choose No Fill to make the rectangle transparent. This will only leave the outline visible over your scribble. Next, shift over to the Animations tab, which is pivotal for bringing our design to life. Click the Animation drop-down, which presents you with various animation options. Scroll right to the bottom and select the line transition. This simple yet effective animation will guide the rectangle across your scribble. Once selected, find Effect Options next to the drop-down and choose Right as the direction for your animation. Now, click on the red arrow path that appears on your slide and adjust the rectangle shape just enough to reveal or uncover the scribble in a visually pleasing manner. To enhance this effect, we're going to conceal some elements. Head to the Format Shape panel, then navigate to Fill and select Slide Background Fill. For the line, choose No Line to effectively integrate the rectangle into your slide's background. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added an engaging animated element that not only brings focus to your visual storytelling, but also captivates your audience. Keep practicing and experimenting with different animations to create unique and interactive presentations. Thanks for watching, and happy animating!